It all began in a small office in Surabaya in 2001, amidst the dynamic economic and social development of Indonesia. A bold vision was born to transform data into policy and research into the power of development. Welcome to the Regional Economic Development Institute, smart, excellent, and trusted. As an independent research institute, REDI has become a strategic partner for governments, international organizations, and the private sector, both in Indonesia and globally. For more than 2 decades, REDI has proven itself as a smart, excellent, and trusted research institution. As of 2024, REDI has completed 198 projects with 62 prominent clients. Our research focuses on 4 main areas: economic, education, social, and digital financial research. We don't just collect numbers, we map data, design policy, and help to shape the future. REDI is trusted by various national and international institutions. At the national level, REDI has partnered with Bank Indonesia, the Coordinating Ministry for Economic Affairs, and various local governments, from East Java to West Nusa Tenggara. Globally, we have collaborated with institutions such as the World Bank, Asian Development Bank, Japan Bank for International Cooperation, the International Labour Organization, and many more. Our vision is to be the most smart, excellent, and trusted research institute in Indonesia and globally. We uphold core values in every step we take. Smart, through the adoption of cutting-edge technology and the application of the highest research ethics. Excellent, with an experienced team and advanced data management systems. And trusted, through clear procedures and data that is accurate, valid, and consistent. Behind the success of this institution, REDI never forgets its social values. Every step we take is accompanied by care and compassion, because for us, true success means ensuring that everyone involved can grow and feel appreciated.
Ke depan, REDI akan menjadi mitra strategis yang dapat diandalkan dengan berbagai metodologi penelitian yang inovatif dan didukung oleh tim profesional yang berpengalaman. Bersama REDI, kita laksanakan kegiatan penelitian yang berkualitas, baik di dalam proses maupun data yang dikumpulkan, sehingga akan dapat menghasilkan penelitian yang bermakna bagi masyarakat, bangsa, dan negara.
With over 22 years of experience, 198 projects, and a network that spans 38 provinces across Indonesia, REDI is not just present, we lead change. We believe that the right research can drive great decisions. We are ready to go farther, collaborate wider, and create greater impact.